In this tutorial, we will configure the Crawleo MCP server inside Cursor. First, open your browser and go to crawleo.dev. Sign in to your account or create a new one if you have not already. Once you are logged in, head over to Dashboard and click on API Keys. Now, create a new API key and give it a name, then copy this API key. Make sure to save it somewhere safe. In Cursor IDE, click on the settings icon at the top right corner and click on Tools and MCP. Now add a custom MCP. Open Crawleo.dev again, go to Docs, and select Cursor IDE and MCP and Integration. Now scroll a little bit down and copy this code from here. And now open the Cursor IDE again and paste that code here. Now paste your API key here. And open Cursor settings again. You should now see the Crawleo MCP server enabled with two tools, search_web and crawl_web. Now let's test it. Open Agent Chat by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and B together, and let's search. And here it is, Crawleo MCP server working in Cursor IDE.